ho, ho. Are you a ho, ho, ho? Waiting for Christmas like. What's up, my Fineapples? Welcome back to my channel. And I know Thanksgiving hasn't even taken place yet and your girl is wearing a freaking Santa hat. I know. I am one of those people where I like to enjoy the holidays as they go, but the holidays literally come right around the corner in the snap of a freaking finger, because I'm one where I always say, I'm going to do Christmas shopping early. I'm going to get it out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and get deals and all of that. Then all of a sudden it's Christmas Eve. I am getting no deals. It is crowded everywhere. It is too late for shipping. And if you want shipping, the deadline has already surpassed, unless you want to pay literally like your soul, and everything will be sold out. So I'm here for you today. So today's video is going to be perfect for presents for beauty lovers and also skincare lovers. Everything I'm going to be showing you is 25 and under except one item. So I wanted to sneak it by because it's definitely worth it. I also picked up 2 items that are more like stocking stuffers or add-ons you can add on to whatever gift that I thought were really worth it and really cute. Now there are so many freaking gift sets on Sephora. They go by category. I think it's 25, 50, and I don't know if they have 100 and up, but I think 25 is a good starting spot, just because, you know, if you have a lot of friends and family, I mean, people don't have like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to be spending left and right on people. So I wanted to do the 25 and under, and I wanted to pick the gift sets that are, 1, you're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck, and 2, I know these products personally and they are amazing products, and I think that the gift set is bomb. I wanted to pick a gift set that isn't just gonna sit there and be like, I'm never gonna try out these products. I wanted to pick the top like gift sets that I personally saw. I went through all of them and I'm like, no, 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 looks good, but it's crap. Yes, 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 and yes. If you want to know the top 25 and under gift sets, then keep on watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because it is free, $9.99. Also click that bell. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And now let's get on with the video. I'm honestly debating keeping this hat on, but I'm just gonna do it because I bought it at Target and I was cracking up because this is the cutest I could get it. It's a pretty stiff one, but it's one where the sequins go back and forth. But if you guys see this, it can create a whole cone head. Yeah, that's one tall freaking hat. So the first set I'm going to show you, I'm super excited about because I found a bomb deal for you. And when I noticed like the difference, the $1 difference in something, I honestly was sort of like, that's messed up, because if someone didn't notice this and really research the site, you could have missed it, because I almost did. So I'm going to explain it right now. I have this set right here from Benefit, and it's a trio, and you get 3 different products. So you're going to get the Hoola bronzer right here, the What's Up highlighter, which is a cream stick, and it's a beautiful champagne shade. And then you have the Quickie stick, which is the Hoola bronzer. The reason why I was just so proud of my finding was on Sephora's site, I saw that they had the Hoola bronzer as a ornament set, like by itself, for $12 with the same amount of product. It wasn't any larger or smaller, the same exact one, but for $1 more, you are getting the What's Up highlighter and also the Quickie contour stick. I couldn't even believe that. I mean, having these 2 little additions, even though they are smaller products or not, for $1 is amazing. That means that the person that you're giving this gift to gets to try out 2 more products, or this is always a time where you can try out products yourself, because I love looking at the gift sets, because this is a great time to try out different brands and several products, more bang for your buck. Obviously for $1 more, I'm gonna pick up this one. But yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so the next product is $28, but hold on, don't get upset yet, because I know it's 25 and under. That's the title. I get it. And the product I'm talking about is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now, this is a whole entire set. This mask will last for forever. I use it during the daytime and also night, not only nighttime. It has saved my lips. This one is berry, so this is the original scent, but they also came out with limited edition scents, which I highly recommend because I have them full size, because that's how much I love the product. I bought these 2 full size. They have the grapefruit, also the apple lime, and vanilla. That's the only one I didn't purchase because I'm not like the hugest vanilla fan, but it's awesome because you can try this out. I mean, I think this is a great set. So if you have been wanting to try this personally, I would get it for yourself, but $28, you can't beat it. But if you just want to buy this product on its own, amazing. Whoever gets that present will never have chippity chap chap lips ever again. Now, as a stocking stuffer, I thought that this was super cute, and this is the Benefit Porefessional primer right here. I thought this was just a perfect addition. It retails for $13, and this primer, a little goes a long way, so I thought it was a great one. It's an amazing primer, honestly, for all skin types. It really fills in the pores. You can just stick it in a stocking, or say like you have maybe another present, you want to like place this on top to kind of layer the present. I thought that this was just so cute. So another item I am very proud of. Make sure that if you are looking for a certain brand, just click that brand and then go low to high, and it will show you everything that pops up. And that's how I found this baby right here. But I totally get it. They want to show like the new stuff that is out, but definitely make sure you research each brand and just click low to high for price, and then you'll find everything that will pop up. And it comes with a Tarte mascara. This is a bomb mascara. I totally know lashes are personal, but this one is so black and elongating. I personally have never heard anybody say that they don't like it. There's also a Tarte lip paint in a beautiful everyday color. It is nothing too extreme. And then there's also a chrome paint pot in Park Avenue Princess. These are definitely a splurge on their own. They're high in price, but what's awesome is that, say that you wanted to try this out, or you know someone that would love this, now they're trying out a whole kit. These are really just foiled and chrome and look bomb on the freaking eye. And I really love it because there's pineapples all over it, so I'm obsessed. Now, this was a set that I'm kind of upset that I didn't click to for the quantity because I want it for myself. Now, this is a skincare set, and this is from Tatcha, and it retails for $25. So this Tatcha set comes with the water cream, which is by far my favorite, which I will prove it right now. I'm like, where is it? I look like a liar. My favorite freaking cream for before my makeup. A little goes a long way. It is like probably my most luxurious cream, and it is just so amazing. And then the deep cleanse from Tatcha. Now, Tatcha products are super pricey. If you know a skincare lover, I definitely highly recommend these two products. I know the deep cleanse is highly raved about from so many people, and I really want to try it out, which is why I wish I would have clicked too, but it's okay. So here it is right here. I think this is a great set. I was actually surprised to see those two together because I feel like, no shade to Tatcha, but I feel like Tatcha kind of always pairs products that are like something that's not so much a bestseller with a super bestseller. That's what I personally feel like, well, with like a lot of brands sometimes, but this one I'm just like, whoa, like two top products that people rave about, and I don't know why I didn't click too. And if you're worried about why I'm thinking why I won't get to keep this, you have to stay tuned. Ew, I just winked. So another stocking stuffer was by Benefit as well, and this is the Bang Bad Gal Lash. This mascara is so freaking bomb to really elongate as well and separates, like it fans out your lashes beautifully. This is like one of the few high-end mascaras where I'm like, yes. The only reason why I don't rave about it a lot on my channel is because I am a waterproof mascara lover. I wish they would come out with a waterproof formula for this because this wand is so bomb. I honestly want to take my wand and dip it into my waterproof and just, you know, do my lashes from there because I think it is so good. I think a lot of people will love this, even though lashes are personal, but I really like this, and I just think it's a really cute addition. I love the packaging, and it also has like the to and the from, and say like you kind of hang this on your Christmas tree. That would also be an adorable idea too. Now, Stila had quite a few sets on there, and I found the Stila All That Shimmers. This is a Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow set. Now, these are such a popular product, and I loved this set specifically because I love the shades. You have the champagne, more of like a golden, and then a bronze. I don't know. I just remember looking at the site and just thinking this is going to be the winner right here. Again, one of those items where you don't want to really splurge on just one. You want to try out a bunch of colors, and now you're going to get 3 for $25. It's not a product that you use all the time, but it's a product definitely that you want to try out or use and have in your collection. So yeah, I thought this was a steal. I swear, in between filming this, I keep laughing at myself because this hat, I am so dedicated to it. So next up, we have a set that retails for $22, and this is the Believe in Truth. I am a fan of quite a few Believe products. I just started using their products this this year, and I think towards like the end of last year, like the tail end though. Now this you can't be beat because you're getting so many different products to use. Skincare gets really, really pricey, and this is the time to really test and give a trial on different brands. Just because say like you buy the big size of one thing and another and you're like, oh my gosh, it's already $65, then all of a sudden 100, and you're like, I only got, you know, like 3 products or maybe even 2, and you're thinking, I can't even try the whole set because it is just ridiculously priced, and what if I don't even like it? So this is a time to try out new brands or try out a bunch of different products at once, especially skincare, so you don't waste your money. So in this set, you get their best sellers, which I really love because like I said, I feel like sometimes brands like put like one crappy product that doesn't really sell with their best sellers. So I love that these are all best sellers. It comes with their foam cleanser, the skin luminizing essence, a bouncy gel cream, elasticity boosting eye cream, and the new Aqua Bomb sleeping mask, which is a really good one. And I will show you right now. I am a believer in belief, which is why I picked it out. I think this is a great set. I love it. And again, it has like the cute little handle. Another bomb set. I can't get over how many good sets there are this year. I feel like last year I wasn't really impressed by a lot, but this year I'm like, yes, 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 yes. So Stila came out with In the Nude Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. Now, I have not talked about Stila All Day liquid lipsticks in a long time, but that doesn't mean necessarily that I don't like them. There's so many different brands, so I'm trying to always expand and trying out new things. Stila has an amazing liquid lipstick formula. If you guys are OG subscribers, you guys know I was obsessed with Beso. I probably bought like about 3 to 4 tubes of it. I still have one in my collection. I actually have almost all the colors from their collection because that was like the first liquid lipstick I believe that I was like, I need all the colors even if I'm not even gonna wear them. So just because I don't talk about them doesn't mean that I don't love them. You guys already know there's so many brands out there, but I was so excited because you can't go wrong with a freaking nude set. So this one's in the nude. The colors specifically are Patina, one of their top sellers, #1, Nudo Shimmer, and Sogno. So I really like how they have a shimmer in there, but look at these shades. Perfect for every day. Great. You're not going to take a risk on, you know, giving these and then the person's like, ugh, you know, unless they really don't like pink or neutral lips. I believe they had another set with other colors. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure. But I definitely went for In the Nude. So the last skincare product that I found in a set was from Murad. Now, you guys already know I have talked about Murad for probably like 4 or 5 years now. I will always be a fan of Murad. I have tested so many freaking products from their line, and specifically their Essential C has always been one of my top favorites. I used to get facials at another place and all they used was Murad and specifically the Essential C set on me. It's a really good product. This retails for $25 with a value of $50. So in this set, it comes with Essential C cleanser, which I have purchased so many times. It is so good. I love the citrus scent of it. Also, the Essential C Day Moisture has an SPF of 30, which I love. And also the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening serum, which I am currently using right now because I have hyperpigmentation right here, and a little goes a long way. So I have 2 more products to show you, and I have the NARS set right here. They sent this to me in PR, and I was about to order, and it hit me. I was like, oh, they sent it to me. So I definitely wanted to gift it to you guys right here. You guys will find out the information on that soon. So this is a NARS Duo set, and already just the packaging itself is so freaking bomb. This one retails for $24. I mean, look at this container. It looks so cool. It has NARS in the front, and this is called the NARS Little Fetishes. It has an Orgasm Mini Blush and also the Orgasm Mini Lipstick. I think NARS is such cool packaging, especially for the holidays. And then I have one last set from NARS, and this one retails for $24. Again, it is just so cool in the container. You can keep like cotton pads in here, like your rounds after, or change, or I don't know what you want to keep in here, but there's a lot of cute stuff that can fit in this container. Now in this one, this has the Dolce Vita blush and also the Capri highlighting powder. Let me show you what that looks like. I think that is so cute just to have like little minis in this little jar. And again, this retails for $24. And those are all the top 25 and under, well, almost all 25 and under sets. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you. I'm telling you, these are like my top favorites. Also, Christmas time is the #1 time where I use Ebates. If you haven't signed up for Ebates, it is completely free. I'll leave my link down below. It is an affiliate link. It is the best website ever. Last year, I got over $300 back with my own personal shopping because I do so much online shopping, especially for Christmas gifts. And you basically shop your normal stores or anywhere that they have available on the site, and you get cash back. So say for instance, like Amazon, it's usually like 5% cash back of your purchase. You don't get the cash back right away. They pay you quarterly, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. And Christmas as well, they'll do like triple cash back on so many different sites. Sephora will go to like 10% cash back sometimes. I'm like, what? Like, that is crazy. So definitely take advantage of that. I'll leave a link down below. It's super easy to use. It's not a scam. It actually works. I am a firm believer Ebates, and I get so much cash back, especially during Christmas. Christmas time is where I'm like, yes. All right, you guys, so before I get going, I just want to say everything that I showed in this video today, I will be giving to one lucky winner, and Christmas will come early to one of my beautiful Fineapples. I'm going to leave all the rules and everything down below. For this giveaway though, I do want to put it out there is, unfortunately, you will have to have Instagram. If you want to just make an Instagram account now, that would be great. But I just feel sorry for the inconvenience for anybody, just because it's so easy to verify people on Instagram. And it's been really easy for me to really put like the picture with someone, know it's them, just so I don't get any giveaway junkies or people who are trying to cheat. On one of the other giveaways, like someone emailed me saying, hey, I'm the winner. And it's because it had like the first and last name of the user that I pinned. And I was like, oh, they won. And they tricked me. And I didn't fall for it, thank goodness, because the person DM'd me through Instagram and I was able to verify them. So right now for this giveaway, just because I truly want to make sure that the right person wins and a true Fineapple, you have to have an Instagram account and also follow me on there. Again, I'll leave all the rules and everything down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. All right, you guys, I love you Fineapple so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.